Hello, welcome back to our maths class of class 9. We were learning mensuration. Now, today let's solve some word problems. Last time we learned formula of room, different part of room, area, floor, ceiling, four walls. Yes. Now here you can see the first question. The measurement of the rectangular rooms are given. Here it is given. Find the area of floor and the cost of carpeting the floor at the rate of rupees 150 per meter square. Now you have to find here what is given. First of all, length is given 12 meter. Similarly, breadth is given 10 meter. Height is 8 meter. We have to calculate the area of floor. Area of floor. How can we calculate the area of floor? That is rectangular room. So rectangle's area. So L into B. 12 into 10. It means no need of this height. 12 tens are 120 meter square is the area of floor. Now after this you have to find the cost of carpeting. You have to find the cost of carpeting. What is the formula of cost? To find the cost we have to multiply area by given rate. We have to multiply area by given rate. Now and listen, carpet is put on the, we have to put carpet on the floor. We keep carpet on the floor, so area floor is required. Like cost of plastering, then we plaster on the four walls. That is why we find area of four wall and multiply by rate. Sometimes it may be given ceiling also. It will be mentioned in question. 120 meter square into rate is given rupees 150 per meter square. Area is 120 and rate is 150. So 12 15s are 180 and this 0 and 0 are there. Meter square cancel. Rupees 18,000 is the total cost of carpeting that room. Let's solve another question. Question number 5. The measures of a square room. The measures of a square room are given. Find the area of four walls and cost of painting the walls. Now here length is given 12 meter. Since it is a square room, so basic breadth also is 12 meter. And next height is given 6 meter. Height is given 6 meter. Now you have to find the area of four walls. Area of four walls equals to what? What is the formula of area of four walls? Area of four wall is 2HL plus B for rectangular room, but it is given a square room, so 4HL. For rectangular room 2HL plus B. For rectangular room 2HL plus B. But it is square room, that is a 4HL. But if you don't remember this formula in exam, then we can use this formula, and in the place of L also you put 12, in the place of B also you put 12. Okay, 4 times 6 meter into 12 meter. Now 6 4s are 24 into 12 is 8. 288 meter square is the area of 4 walls. Now again you have to find the cost of painting the walls. Look at the cost of painting the walls. So area into rate here also. The cost of painting the walls is area into rate, and area is 288 meter square into rate is rupees 14 per meter square. Rupees 14 per meter square. Now here this meter square cancel. Rupees 288 into 14. 288 into 14 is 4032. Rupees 4032 is the total cost to paint that 4 walls of that room. Okay, solving next question. The area of the floor of the cubicle room. Listen, a square room and cubicle room, they are different. I already told you, square room and cubicle room, they are different. Don't get confused. Rectangular, some rooms are rectangular room, means base is rectangle, that means cuboid. Yes, and square room is also cuboid, but length and base are only equal, height is different. And in the case of cubicle room, length, breadth, height all are equal. In the case of cubicle room, length, breadth and height all are equal. And the area of floor of the cubicle room. Area of floor of cubicle room is given 49 meter square. Now what is on the base of cubicle room? Square is there. Yes, square is there. So its formula is L square equals to 49 meter square. L is equals to root under 49, which is 7 meter. So length of the room is 7 meter. Breadth also same, height also same. Then what will be the area of 4 walls? Area of 4 walls of cubicle room. What is the formula? Formula to calculate the area of 4 wall is 4L square. Again I will tell the same thing, like 2 adds L plus B. Yeah, 2L is it's also L, this also L, this also L. Here 2L, and from here 2L. So 2 into is there, 2 to the 4, L square. So 4L square. All together, cubicle room means all sides are equal, length, breadth and height. So its area is L square. This side also L square, this side also L square, and back side also L square. And all ceiling and floor only not required. So 4 squares, so 4L square. 4 into 7 meter square. 7 7s are 49. 49 into 4. 49 into 4 is 196 meter square. So area of floor of this cubicle room is 196 meter square. Now it is not given to find any cost, so this much. Solving another question. Area of the floor of the rectangular room is 72. Area of the floor is given 72 meter square, and if the width of the carpet is 2.7 meter, we have to find the length of carpet that will be needed to cover the floor of the room. Here area is given, and suppose this is the floor whose area is given 72 meter square. Now you have to find the length of carpet, not area of carpet. If area, what is the area of carpet in this room? Area of carpet is 72 meter square, because area of carpet and area of floor are same. But here you have to find length of carpet, and here 2.7 meter is the wideness of that carpet. And suppose this is your room, then when we put carpet, one single carpet cannot be kept there. Yes, many pieces of carpet should be adjusted in the room. So like 2.7 meter, suppose here like this you are putting carpet, one roll here and another here, another here, we don't know. And total length, what is the total length? You have to find where this is the breadth. Yes, if we take this piece here and this next piece here and next piece another, okay, now its wideness is given 2.7. now its area is the area of this room. Area of this carpet is equals to the area of this room, this floor. And now breadth is given 2.7. you have to find length. Okay, area of floor is given 72 meter square. So what will be the area of carpet? Also 72 meter square. And next, width of the carpet is given 2.7 meter. Now from here, now we can write area of carpet equals to 72 meter square, which is L into B. 72 meter square. We have to find length. This length you have to find total. Now breadth is wideness of that carpet, which is given 2.7 meter. So what will be the length of that carpet? 72 by 2.7 meter. 72 by 2.7, which is 26.67 meter. Therefore, the required length of carpet is 26.67 meter. Oh, sorry, but it is given 2.4. Yes, in question it is given 2.4. In question it is given 2.4 meter. So we have to divide by 2.4. It's not 26.67. It will be 30 meter. Because in question it is given 2.4 meter. You just have to divide it there. Next question. Area of 4 walls and ceiling of a room is 107 meters square. Area of 4 wall and ceiling, that if we join, then it will be 107 meters square. If the room is 6 meter long and 5 meter wide means breadth, you have to find height of the room. Length of the room is given 6 meter. Breadth of the room is 5 meter. Now next, area of 4 walls and ceiling is given 107 meter square. You have to find height of the room is what? Now according to question, area of 4 wall and ceiling given. Area of 4 walls and ceiling is 107 meter square. What is the formula of area of 4 wall and ceiling? Area of 4 wall is 2HL plus B and plus ceiling then L into B. We floor, then also we add more L into B. Okay, 107 meter square. 2, height is unknown. 6 plus 5, L and B given 6 meter and 5 meter. Similarly here 6 into 5, 107. 6 plus 5 11, 11 to the 22 h equals to 107. These 6 5s are 30, we can take another side. Okay, 6 5s are 30, we can take another side, that's why minus 22h equals to 107 minus 30. 107 minus 30 is 77. Height is equals to 77 divided by 22. This is 3.5 meter. 3.5 meter. Therefore, the height of the room is 3.5 meter. Okay, another solution. First, we'll read out the question. The cost of carpeting the floor of a room whose breadth is twice its height and the length is twice its breadth at the rate of 500 meters square is this. Rate is given, total cost is given. You have to find what will be the cost of plastering its floor wall at the rate of the ₹20 per square meter. Means we have to find the area of floor wall. An area of floor wall is 2HL plus B. So we have to calculate height, length, breadth first. And what is given there? The cost of carpeting the floor of the room whose breadth is twice the height. Let height also don't know, breadth also don't know, length also don't know. What is given? Breadth is twice the height. If height is 2x, then what will be the breadth? Double. You can let just x. Height is x, then breadth will be 2x. And the length is twice the breadth. Length is the twice, means 4x. Look at this is x, it's double breadth, and it's double here. Okay. Breadth is twice the height and the length is twice its breadth. Now at the rate of this 500 per meter square is this. Total cost of carpeting is given ₹64,000. Cost of carpeting is given 64,000 at the rate ₹500 per meter square. Now from this, listen, total cost rate. What's total cost is given? Total cost of carpeting is given, then we can find the area of floor. Total cost of plastering floor wall, then we can find the area of floor wall. Total cost of coloring ceiling, then we can find the area of ceiling. This cost of carpeting is given, so what can we find from this? Area of carpet, means area of floor we can find. Listen, the cost of carpeting and rate given, so we can find area of floor because carpet, we keep carpet on the floor. What is the formula? If total cost and rate are given, total cost by rate. L into B is equals to ₹64,000 divided by 500 per meter square. This rupees and rupees can be cancelled. This meter square will go up. Keep the value of L and B. L is 4x, B is 2x. 64,000 divided by 500. 128 meter square is the area. 4 to the 8 will come this side. 128 by 8. 128 divided by 8 almost 16. So x is equals to, what is the square root of 16? 4 meter. Now if x is 4, we can find height is 4 meter, breadth is twice, so 8 meter, and length is 4x 4 4 is 16 meter. Length, breadth, height are there. Next you have to find the cost of plastering 4 wall. So you can find area of 4 walls. What is the formula of area of 4 walls? 2HL plus B. 2HL, sorry, L is 16 plus B. 8 into 16, 824 into 8 is 192 meter square is the area. But your total cost, you have to find cost of plastering 4 walls, means area into rate. Here also 192 meter square into rate is given 20 per meter square, rupees 20 per meter square. So this meter square and meter square can be cancelled. 192 into 20, 3840 the total cost of plastering. What kind of home is there? For carpeting 64,000 they are spending, and for plastering 3814 rupees.